The A40 has this awesome dual-eye camera system, two 48-megapixel cameras that give you a wide 120-degree view. Basically, it makes sure everyone's in the frame, even if they are chilling at the back of the room. Let me grab a few frames to show you how A40's IntelliFocus works in action. Hey everyone, we're going to show you the IntelliFocus of the A40. Now, we are recording with the A40 camera. I got some friends to help to show off its cool AI features.
Picture this, you've got more than 6 people in a room. Normally, group framing makes the speakers look tiny, and regular speaker tracking just keep bouncing between speakers, which can be pretty distracting.
That's where IntelliFocus comes in. It zooms in on whoever's talking, so you always have a clear view without all that shifting.
Alright, so now there are 6 people in the room. The camera was only showing 4, the active speakers. This way, everyone stays locked on the conversation.
And the way it checks speakers is super smooth and real-time. If I move a bit, see, the camera instantly adjusts and zooms into me.
If your meeting room's open or has glass walls, the camera might catch people walking outside, messing up the framing. But with video fence, you can set up virtual boundaries. We've got them set here. If I step outside,
The camera won't capture her, even if she's talking, so your colleagues stay focused on what's happening inside the room without any distractions. In hybrid meetings, background noise can be a real distraction, making it hard for people to hear you clearly. Yealink's AI noise cancellation technology takes care of that. Right now, we're going to make some noise. Yeah, as you can see on the decibel meter, it's pretty loud, but I bet you can still hear me clearly. It's cool. Simple, powerful, secure. That's what A40 stands for. Looking forward to more unboxing and test video of our new products. Follow me and see you next time.